Corre, perra, corre! Se murió.
Peace, everybody. It's Milana Al Hassan of the Crypto Planet DeFi Group. Check this out, right? We're on Beehive Hedge. Finally figured this out. It took me a minute, but you know, it is what it is. 2,200 players. What's this? 20 million apples invested. Check this out. Okay, now I figured it out. It took me long, but I came back. This is how you invest the apples. So you swap, right? You swap your BAC to apples. 2 BAC equals 1 apples, right? So you go here, you buy the BHC from Poloni Dex. You come back here and you enter the BHC right here and get your apples token, right? Okay, after you get the apples, after you get your apples tokens, you come here to Beehive Hedge and enter your apples, right? Now, after every week, after your 7-day investment, right? What you want to do is you first want to withdraw. So first thing you want to do is push withdraw. When the green button pops up, you want to withdraw. Don't push this button. See, I messed up. You see where it says 0 balance? Well, this balance is referring to the balance in your wallet. I thought that it pertained to the balance right here. And I was confused because once your 7 days are over and your available profit is available, right? Then it goes to your wallet. But I thought that you had to, I thought once it went to, once you withdrew it, that was it. But no, what you do is when you withdraw it, it goes to your wallet, right? And if your wallet, what you do with that balance is when you make the profit, take for instance this right here. If it was $23.79, then once it goes to your wallet, you push reinvest, and then the reinvest will reinvest it for you. That's what happened with me right here. See, but you have to have the balance to reinvest in your wallet. Like this right here, I could reinvest if I had the 23 in my wallet to reinvest. But I didn't know what I was doing, and I collected it, and I ended up starting another number of stake of investing in another number. So remember, when you withdraw, it goes to your wallet, and then when the reinvest show, you reinvest. You push reinvest to reinvest these same funds back into the system. And there you go. Withdraw back to your wallet, then reinvest. It'll reinvest automatically back in the system when you push it and take it out your wallet. See this, I don't have the balance, right? So now, right now, I only have 1,800. So that's because I screwed up, but that's okay though. You know what I'm saying? Now I can't reinvest in this because it's only 31% here because it still have 3 days. This one has 5, and I'm gonna reinvest all of these, and this one has 5. I'm reinvesting all of these every week. So I want to do a quick review of Beehive Hedge. It actually works. I'm seeing the progress. I see the tokens. So I'm gonna leave here. Whenever I get this 330%, I'm gonna leave here and go to right to either Poloni Dex or Just Swap and give me some TRX. You know what I'm saying? So, and hell, I might just reinvest. I mean, I haven't seen any other platform other than this and T2X, okay, which is right here, that really gives you a form of payment. So, yeah. That's what I have to report to you all about Apis. Withdrawing is easy. Just remember to put it back in. I could reinvest this. I don't want to reinvest it right now. I'm just going to hold. It's not worth me reinvesting 22. I don't think. I'm just going to hold. And the next investment time comes, I'm just going to reinvest it or something. I'll figure it out. So, Beehive Hedge, come check it out. Get in. The descriptions, the link is in the description. Like and subscribe, people. I appreciate it. Peace.